Hello, Colt, Spit and Tax Upholstery. Remember, we did our top, we did our snaps, our binding, our double-sided bias tape, 1 inch. And the last video, I believe, was bow here. So I have, last night we had a big rain. We're in Spokane, Washington here. We had a torrential storm come through here. And so the top worked perfectly. And they have a memory after a while. Fabric, any kind of fabric, it has a memory, hot and cold. So last night it got wet. It worked great. This Rec Acryl is excellent stuff. And so I put the tent, the riser pole underneath here in the bow. I didn't do it in the back. I just I wanted it to slough. I wanted it to find its gait. It's a real thing with this stuff, and if you have the time to do it, like this with a storm, I thought it was cool. So anyway, this is ready to be taken off. Take the pole out, and then I'm going to put the carpet in next. So anyway, this is what this looks like, and it turned out real nice. I'll let you see it real quick here. If you want to get up here on this ladder, you want to back up here, just kind of step up there and then hold it up high. Let them get a peek. I got you. You're good to go. A little higher, a little higher, a little higher. Hold your hand up. Hold your hand up. Hold your hand up. There you go. Okay, so that's what we just did. Beautiful green matching snaps, green Tech 90 thread, and this is what you're after. And you can see there's no snap. Those 2 half moon pockets that I did, you can see that. So that's what you want. I would gravitate towards those instead of snaps. They won't fail you. I mean, eventually everything gets old, but that'll last way longer than a snap. Okay, so I ought to patent it, to be honest. Anyway, let's move on. We're gonna put the carpet in because she's coming to get her boat, and I think she's gonna be quite happy. This is beautiful. So, God be with you. I'll see you around like a donut.